Hi guys, Alec here, and I'm going to spend some time to show you guys how you can simplify the communication between your customers and your suppliers. Um, this is MyBI App, and this plugs into any Pastel Partner, Sage 50 Cloud, or Pastel Xpress database. Often we need to communicate different things to our customers and suppliers. For instance, they would ask us, please send me a invoice or send me your statement. And it's not always easy to quickly get that out of our Pastel, or we may not even have access to the Pastel because we're not a user of Pastel. So my BI can help you here. In this demo environment, we've got three companies, so you can consolidate. But let's say, for instance, you just want to see one company's data and you've got a question from a customer to give all invoices to them. Okay, so let's say we go to company number two. I'm just selecting anyone here. And your customer says, please send me everything up to the end of October. All right, so firstly, we go and select everything up to the end of October. And now we can see in our debtors analysis, this gives us, information for the end of October. So we go back, we say, okay, well, let's, for instance, just go and select here. I'll just show that again. This is all your transactional insight over here in this menu, split between customers on this side and suppliers on the right-hand side. This is your debtors analysis, meaning showing what debtors still owe money. All right. So if you want to now go and say, well, I want to send my customers all of their invoices, you would just scroll down here and you go to invoices and credit note details. Right. So once I am here, you'll see that your credit, your document numbers on the left-hand side, then your entity's name is over here, and then you've got the date on which it was actually issued. So you'll see once I select that invoice number, it actually shows you each and every single line that was issued on that invoice with the item codes that were used on that specific invoice. So if you want to send something to them quickly, the best way would be to send it in Excel. So you go and click in this field called company name. You go and you actually select the company. So let me just go and select, any company over here. There we go. This pops up, shows you all of the invoices that were issued to them. So this is, invoice and even the credit notes. And that adds up to 68,000 Rand, excluding VAT, and 10,000 Rand, including, well, VAT raised on that 68,000. And I want to send this all to them in Excel. Instead of trying to paste it over here, you just go to this button over here that says copy to Excel, copy that, open a new sheet. I'm just going to press Control N for November, and then Control V, V for Victor, and there we paste everything. I'm just going to click here in the corner that highlights the whole sheet for me, all rows, all columns, and I double click here in between B and A when that little arrow turns from a normal cursor or that down cursor to a cursor that shows arrows to both sides. Double click and it actually just opens up my columns, and immediately I can send this to my customer, save it anywhere, just go file, save as, wherever you want to save it, and then you attach this to an email. And what they have here is every single line on every single invoice that has ever been issued to them over a 2-year cycle in this instance, because that's what this specific view of your Pastel shows. But now they have it all in Excel and they can actually go and look at it in detail. And I didn't have to go and do anything within my Pastel itself, saving me a lot of time. And obviously, it's already in a nice structured environment where my customer can go and view it very simply and obviously add it up if they want to. And from there, see everything they need from each invoice. All right, guys, so that's where you see transactional insight. And I hope that actually helps you to communicate to your customers. You can also do the same for suppliers. You would then, in that instance, just go to your invoices and returns. And here you got the same environment with the same buttons here on the top. Okay. Hope that helps. Have a great one, guys. Bye.